Good morning. I'm going to make about 3 more Underwood deviled ham recipes. This one is really simple. Anyway, we're going to start with baked ham and eggs. I'll put the recipe in the description. 1 teaspoon of minced onion, half a teaspoon of mustard. You line the bowl with the deviled ham, put the egg in it, and we put it in the oven. We got to try it. Let's try it. Baked ham and eggs. Egg is slightly overcooked. That's okay. What do you expect when you're baking it? Here we go. That's good. I am going to put a little pepper in. Just a hint of mustard, very hinty. Very hinty of mustard. Well, that's very easy to make. It did take about 15-16 minutes in the oven. I would have liked the eggs a little bit more runny, but they're fine. They're fine. That's fun. Vintage deviled ham. Eggs and ham. Thanks for watching.